If you're dealing with the no location found message in the Find My app on your iPhone, I totally get how frustrating that can be. This problem usually comes from issues with your location services, connectivity, or settings. But don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot this and get back on track. Let's dive into some steps you can take to resolve the issue. Solution 1. Ensure location services are enabled. First, go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, scroll down a bit until you see Privacy and Security and tap on it. Next, tap Location Services. Make sure the Location Services is switched on. After that, tap on Location Alert. Now enable Show Map in Location Alert. Go back by tapping the back arrow. Scroll down and select Find My from the list of apps. Finally, set Allow Location Access to while using the app or always. Solution 2. Ensure Share My Location is turned on. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the very top of your screen. Then tap on Find My. After that, select Find My iPhone. Make sure to enable the following 3 settings: Find My iPhone, Find My Network, Send Last Location. If any of these are turned off, the Find My app won't be able to locate your device or share its location with others. Now try restarting your device and see what happens. Solution 3. Check Internet connectivity. First, ensure that both your iPhone and the other device you're trying to locate are connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can test your connection by opening a browser and trying to load a web page. If you run into internet issues, try this. Enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then disable it. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if one works better than the other. Solution 4. Ensure date and time settings are correct. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap General. After that, scroll down again and select Date and Time. Make sure that Set Automatically is toggled on. Having the wrong date and time can mess with your location services. Solution 5. Check for iOS updates. Open the Settings app once more. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and download and install it. Remember, updates often come with bug fixes that can help resolve issues with the Find My app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the no location found issue in the Find My app. If the problem continues to bother you, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for further assistance. You've got this.